So I found a way to use LLMs inside of Make for free, and in this short video I'd like to show you how you can do it too and save a little bit of money. But really quickly, what am I talking about? So here I'm inside of a Make scenario and I'm using ChatGPT and I'm calling Claude, and each of these calls costs a little bit of money each time. And how much money exactly? Well, that depends on how much text you give into the prompt and how much you hand it back. That's called tokens. So the size of the prompt going in and going out. And for roughly 1 million tokens, ChatGPT costs $2.5. The Claudes from Anthropic are even a little bit more expensive. They cost $3 for 1 million tokens going in. So if you pass a lot of text into a prompt, for example, if you pass it an entire website with all the HTML text, or if you ask it to render a lot of output response, for example, to write a book or something like that, these tokens can add up really quickly and it can get quite expensive. And this is the alternative. The alternative is called OpenRouter. So you connect your Make account to OpenRouter once, and then you can choose between 276 different LLM models to choose from in each call. As you can see, that list is really, really huge. And beneath each model, they will also show you how much the input and output tokens cost. And with this convenient slider to the left here, you can select only the ones that are free. So by default, that list is sorted by newest first, but you can switch it to top weekly if you would like to see the more popular ones. And here, for example, we have the llamas from Facebook. You can, of course, also go into the search and just search for something, and you will see all the free LLMs that are available. And that really is free. So the connection to OpenRouter doesn't cost a thing, and using the LLMs in connection with OpenRouter also doesn't cost a thing. So how do you connect to OpenRouter? That's really easy. I'm back in Make, and I'm adding OpenRouter as a new module. And conveniently, they are already integrated with Make. So I'm just choosing Create a Completion, and now I'm creating a connection to OpenRouter. I'm clicking here. So I'm jumping back into OpenRouter. I'm going to the top right profile where it says Keys. Create a new key, give it any name, and create. Then you copy this key here, go back into Make, that into the key field. And just like that, you've created a connection between Make and OpenRouter, and now you can choose any of the 276 models that you saw on the list. And if you want to choose that free llama, you can just search for them. It even says here in the name that these are free. And in case you were wondering, you can also select the OpenAI models like GPT-4o, for example. And as you can see, the price is the same whether you use it through OpenRouter or whether you use it directly from OpenAI. And that lets you do something like this. You can have different OpenRouter modules where you call different models inside of them. So here I'm calling ChatGPT, here I'm calling Claude IQ, and here I'm calling the free llama. So I hope this video helps you save a little money. And if you want to send me a virtual tip, I have a link to buy me a coffee in the video description. You can also subscribe to my free newsletter if you like. Send me an email if you have any questions. And of course, always subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos of me. Thank you. Bye-bye.